Deep in the tropical forests of the Caribbean, long before humans set foot on those lands, an ancient world pulsed with life. Creatures of astonishing diversity crept, flew, and burrowed through a landscape now buried under layers of time. And in this forgotten ecosystem 16 million years ago, a tiny insect unknowingly stepped into a droplet of sticky tree resin. It was an instant trap, and an eternal tomb. Over time, that resin hardened into amber, preserving the insect's body in near-perfect detail. For millions of years it lay silent, ignored, until a team of scientists recently examined it using advanced three-dimensional imaging. What they found stunned them, because this wasn't just any insect. The more they looked, the more questions arose. Its body was oddly shaped, its mouthparts were armed with miniature blades, and its surface was covered in strange hair-like structures. It didn't fit any known species. The scientists were intrigued. What if this wasn't just a new species, but a key to understanding something much bigger? Something about how life evolved, about extinction, about survival in isolation. The deeper they dug, the more bizarre the mystery became. They began asking themselves, what exactly are we looking at, and how could such a small creature rewrite such a massive chapter of evolutionary history? That's when the truth emerged. The fossil wasn't just rare, it was unprecedented. This was a never-before-seen species of ant, now named Basiceros enana, and it didn't just challenge the known evolutionary timeline, it flipped it. At just 5 millimeters long, Basiceros enana wasn't a descendant of larger ancestors, it was a primordial predator. Until now, scientists believed that these dirt ants, which cover themselves with soil and debris as camouflage, had started off larger and gradually evolved into smaller, more elusive versions. But this fossil proved the opposite. This was the ancestor, not the outcome. Its powerful jaws, lined with sharp triangular teeth, were designed not for defense, but for stealthy ambush. Its body was shaped to hug the forest floor, its hairs engineered to hold camouflage material. It was a hunter, ancient, compact, and brutally efficient. But then came an even deeper question. If it was so perfectly adapted, why did it vanish? Why is there no modern descendant in the region it once ruled? Scientists believe the answer may lie in something much larger, and far more mysterious, than the ant itself. A massive ecological shift, perhaps, or an extinction event that wiped out entire lineages confined to islands. It's as if Basiceros enana was a relic of an entirely different world. One that only survives now inside a golden droplet of frozen time. That frozen moment, that silent scream from the Miocene epoch, is now one of the most important amber fossils ever discovered. It suggests that the Caribbean may have once hosted its own branch of the Tree of Life, severed by isolation and forgotten by modern science. And the fossil of Basiceros enana is just the beginning. If this one amber piece could unlock so many secrets, how many more are out there undiscovered? How many entire species remain buried in resin, waiting to tell their stories? This tiny creature has opened a doorway to a deeper understanding of evolution, extinction, and the fragility of life itself. It reminds us that the smallest things can carry the biggest messages, that even after millions of years, life still speaks if we're willing to listen. Somewhere beneath the forest floors and fossil beds, more ancient whispers await. This isn't just a discovery, it's a reminder that the past is not dead, it's simply hidden, watching, trapped in amber, and ready to change everything we thought we knew. So, what do you think about it? I'll read your comments. You can watch the next video because the discoveries are just beginning.